Welcome back to my channel. Today, ang ikukwento ko sa inyo ay tungkol sa aking first ever gimbal stabilizer. More particularly, yung experience ko sa pag-order nitong gimbal stabilizer na to from one of our favorite online shopping app. Kwento ko lang yung aking failed delivery experience. Medyo interesting siya. So just watch till the end. I'm sure madami sa inyo ang makaka-relate. At kung ikaw naman ay hindi pa naka-experience ng delivery hassle sa Shopee or sa Lazada, well, congratulations. Let's talk about it sa comment box. Let's exchange notes. Maybe we can learn a thing or two kung ano ang gagawin pagka meron tayong mga ganitong delivery issues. Quickly lang, so pag ako ay nagsha-shopping or namimili, lalo na ng mga electronic devices, electronic items, napakatagal kong mamili. I spend a lot of time researching the specs, the pricing, and then I do a lot of side-by-side comparo sa mga kapareho niyang products. Ganon, medyo matagal talaga. Hard-earned money diba? Meaning, when I finally decide to buy an item, it must be the best pick. So itong gimbal stabilizer na to, the brand model I chose, Zooyin Smooth X. Hindi ko na kinuha yung Smooth XS because medyo mas mataas siya ng konti, but for a few $100, I think it's not worth it. The Smooth X, katulad na rin ng XS, is just a 2-axis gimbal, pero kahit 2-axis gimbal lang siya, tingin ko medyo okay siya. It just controls your pan and your roll, pero yung tilt hindi. But I think I'll have a lot of fun using it. And especially kasi it's just below 3,000 pesos. I think I'll do a separate video review for that. So, punta na tayo dun sa na-encounter ko na problem dun sa delivery when I ordered this Zooyin X stabilizer gimbal. So, as usual, I checked sa Lazada and sa Shopee, and Lazada had a better offer for this item. Madami akong options na nakita, and then I finally decided to pick this one na binibenta na isang seller named Lazada Trading. Mukhang legit yung store because it had been with Lazada for more than 2 years na. And this particular item had, 2 reviews. I know. Medyo dapat napaisip na ako just 2 reviews for that item. Pero naisip ko baka it's a new item that they have in stock. Kaya konti pa lang yung bubibili. And based on the profile, di ba? The seller seemed legit naman talaga. It took 3 days to be delivered. Pasok pa rin naman sa time frame provided. And since it's too much cash, ay pinili ko na lang na bayaran siya ng Gcash. Kasi baka mamaya walang cash sa bahay pagka na-deliver. And yes, when the item was delivered, wala ako sa bahay. Hindi rin ako kagad nasabihan na meron delivery. Pero nakita ko naman kaagad because we have this one place kung saan nilalagay ang mga delivered packages or items kahit na-sanitize na siya. Just to be sure and safe. At ayun na nga, medyo kinabahan na ako na nakita ko yung package because the packaging was really small. Hindi ko naasahan na gimbal stabilizer would be this small. Nung nahawakan ko na, I really thought it was a prank. Wala kasing box no sa loob ng plastic. It was something thin and small. It was a bottle cleaner. Steel handle and small bristles. Kinuha ko kagad yung phone ko to document it and para mag-report na rin dun sa seller that the item I got was wrong, and then I requested for a refund immediately sa Lazada. I was really looking to report it sa fraudulent item, pero the closest na nakita ko yata was a wrong item delivered. Kinabahan ako ng konti because it took a day for Lazada Trading to respond to my messages. Pero sumagot naman, so I was relieved, and yun na, naisip ko na talaga na malamang legit naman itong seller na ito. They asked for photos of the package and kaagad ko naman pinadala. And then they told me na it was tampered kasi they do not pack their items in that manner, na hindi pulido yung pagkakapack ng item. The seller even told me na baka yung courier ang gumawa ng kababalaghan dun sa in-order ko. They sent me a link kung saan ako magreklamo, but I was being redirected to Lazada Malaysia or something like that. I tried to report it via chat sa Lazada app, pero parang nag-error siya, so I couldn't get through. Then I remembered back then when I encountered something similar, na-resolve ko yung issue ko before by calling their hotline. So, ginugol ko na lang kaagad yung hotline. And there, I got a hold of their customer service representative after traversing the complicated recordings and options. And na-surprise ako kasi mabilis days, mabilis talaga yung resolution. After the call, they just emailed me asking for documentation, asking for photos of the package. Nag-email back din naman kaagad ako. After a day, since they promised that they will respond within a day, nag-follow up na lang din ako. At agad-agad may tumawag din sa akin from Lazada. Ang tanong lang sa akin is if okay lang ba na I get the refund via store credit. And sumagot na kagad ako ng yes. There were other options. I can't remember it now. Maybe it's a refund to the GCash or something like that. But I was really excited na I will get the refund via store credit because I was really planning to buy the item again. Pero syempre, hindi na dun sa seller na yun. Within an hour maybe, ayun na, meron na akong refund voucher. As of the moment, hindi ko pa alam yung naging conclusion dun sa investigation na ginawa dun sa failed delivery na yan. Ang maganda lang kasi, I did not have to wait for that and na-refund na kagad ako. And when I reordered the item, kinausap ko pa nga yung nagdi-deliver kasi siya lang naman yung nagdi-deliver dito within the area. And I told him what happened na I reported the incident and the seller was actually telling me must be the courier who is that person. So sinabi ko sa kanya and then the courier told me na maybe it's with the logistics hub personnel. Something to do with the logistics hub. Baka doon naman na-tamper yung item. Well, hopefully, ma-resolve din ng tama ito failed delivery attempt. Kasi something wrong really happened here. It could be the seller sending the wrong product. It could be the courier really stealing the products or sabi nga nung delivery guy or the courier, maybe it's with the delivery hub. So whatever it is, sana ma-penalize kung sino talaga yung gumawa ng kalokohan sa in-order ko na item na to. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. Although na-delay yung delivery na item ko kasi I had to reorder it. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, sa Shopee ganun din ba? Have you had any similar experience? Please comment down below. Gusto ko ring malaman. So there, now, I have this cool new toy. I'm planning to do a lot of fun and productive things with this stabilizer gimbal. Thanks for reaching the end of this video. Salamat and don't forget to like, dislike, comment, and subscribe para updated sa new releases ng mga videos. We're gonna talk about technology, DIY, life hacks, and motoring. Hit that subscribe button and see you around.